When I was a child, I'm old enough to remember there were only 4 channels. Number 3, number 4, number 11, number 6. They are public networks in Canada, coast to coast. So number 3 was CBC, the television public network paid by the taxes in Canada. Number 6, it was Radio-Canada, a public network in French coast to coast. After, a local station, Télé 4, Télé number 4. After, number 3, I would know in the black and white TV, a private station from the area of Montreal. So I'm old enough I saw on TV the Olympics of 1976 that were in Montreal. So it was criticized, it cost a lot, the stadium cost a lot, but 1 billion and more, but the money went back to the workers, the family, to Canada. It was an investment. The Olympic Games, there were no sponsors, only amateur sport. After a stadium that looked like a spaceship, after the French part of Canada, Sir Pierre de Coubertin is a French that reinvented the Olympics in the late 1800s, the father of the modern Olympics. So the important thing is to participate, not necessarily to win. So I had a lot of, after the next years, we were playing the Olympics with my sister. I have 2 sisters, Danielle, Dominique, puis my brother Bernard were playing with the neighbors. The Olympics there was a medal of excellence, but I remember one time I was supposed to win it, but I didn't. I was angry, but it's a big medal of excellence. So that spirit, I like it a lot. Puis, je veux dire, you didn't have a lot of place to comment or to, so I wanted to try that. The Olympics, what kind of training? So arrive Mount Olympus, the Titan Games. So between high school and college, I had a lot of courses on how to train. It's in the province of Quebec. There's a lot of courses in physical sport and things like that. Puis after I did 3 years of competitive swimming, the secret of the success. It's one thing to give a show, but it's another thing to attract viewers, puis to attract sponsors, but it's another thing to perform the games that are offered on the show. So it's the games are designed like something to overcome, but he tell it. You have to listen what they say about ability, strength, but he never mentioned a lot of endurance. But when you train, is to push back your physical abilities, puis to have less need. You don't need to rest that much in between event or sport or things you do. So what is important to understand is that the tendon don't function the same thing as a muscle. So when you use strength or endurance, it's the muscle, but the tendon they keep together the bones. Alors, when you use a muscle fast, it's because the blood arrives to the muscle. The muscle is nourished with sugar. After, there's a toxin produced by the processing. So if you do sprint, the blood arrives, the sugar is processed. After, the toxin accumulate fast. If you do endurance, the toxin accumulate not as fast. It's called acid lactic. A tendon, you cannot stretch it like a muscle. A muscle can regenerate, but not the tendon. Not the tendon. So you can inflammate a lot the tendon. Puis what is important to understand is the amount of time you have to rest in between events. So it's not the same thing to rest a tendon than to rest a muscle. Alors, if I arrive there at Mount Olympus, me at 51 years old, puis I just walk around, so I'm supposed to have a little endurance. But what is important to understand, so you have to look at the games, evaluate, like in singing, when you breathe, because it shows a lot on TV, when you breathe. So I would evaluate the games, puis how many seconds or minutes do I rest in between? Alors, if I hit something, the acid lactic accumulate fast because it's a sprint. My tendon can inflamme, puis after I'm out for weeks or months, puis you can have an ultrasound. So I monitor my tendon, I monitor my muscle, the level of acid lactic, my heartbeat, puis là, I hit the ball, I hit it, bon. Puis I can stop, puis rest for 10 seconds, puis if you rest only 5 seconds, you continue. After, you will not be able to continue. The muscle loses its ability with the acid lactic. So if I rest 20, 25 seconds, say, oh, he's quitting, it's because I will be able to hit another 5, 6 minutes. After, if I rest 15 seconds, I can do another 5 minutes. If I just rest 5 seconds, I will do maybe 2 minutes more. Alors, that's the secret of success. So you can do that running, jumping, hitting, pulling. After the endurance, if the endurance, là, when you do a sprint, you have to rest usually 2-3 minutes in between. After you sprint, unless you have a very fast, like 25 meters in swimming, you can swim very fast, the second very slow. But if you take 2-3 minutes in between, the second, third, fourth, you maintain your time. Alors, training, sportability, is to do over and over the same sport activity with the same performance, speed, agility, endurance, puis effectiveness. Alors, if you rush, you sprint, you rest 5 seconds, you rush, puis là, you go down. You don't have a stable performance. Alors, that's a principle. Bon, endurance. You can do something swimming, for example. If you do a series of 25, 2-3 minutes in between, it's not the same thing as 500 continuous. So 500 continuous, you can rest 30 seconds, puis you do another one, or 1 minute. Alors, the more you are trained, the more you push back the ability of your muscle, tendon, heartbeat, blood circulation, puis you reduce the amount of time you have to rest. Alors, it's something to be strong, it's another thing to be endurant. After, it's another thing to have both. After, it's another thing to be intelligent enough to monitor yourself, puis to know when to rest. Alors, I don't know if they cut the TV at a point, but what I fear a lot, moi, c'est on the rolling thing, l'agility, puis getting up on that. Je dis, you can boom your head easy or things like that. So, that's the secret of success of Mount Olympus. Puis after, là, many ruin their career because they don't know their limit. You're better to tell your coach, I have to stop now. Puis after, you rest 24 hours. Puis after, you're okay at 100%. Than crossing the limit, là, to prove everybody not to be cut, for example, of a sporting. Puis after, the day after, oh, I'm not ready to go back in the pool. Alors, you earn your reputation, puis your trustworthiness in knowing your limit. Alors, it's more important to stop puis to take 24 hours than always have highs, ultrasound, things like that. Alors, it depends on the producer, depends on the coach, it depends on the owner of the stadium. Alors, sometimes they want you out. You're out, what can I say? But it's one thing to go out by an injury, but it's another thing to go out because you don't attract viewers, you're not in the business, or young girls are better. Alors, that's the success of Mount Olympus, the secret of success.